dear students, welcome to the mathematics class. So here we continue the chapter algebraic expressions. So in the last class you have studied about the exercise 9.4. Now let us see the next section of this chapter, that is identity. So identity means what? Identity means for any value of variable, the LHS and RHS value must and should be equal. Then such expression is called as the what? Identity. For example, let us say here x plus y whole square, which is equals to x square plus y square plus 2xy. You can substitute any value of x and y. You will get both LHS and RHS values equal only. Let us say I will take x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. So substitute LHS, what you will get? See 2 plus 3 bracket square. 2 plus 3 5 square, which is equals to 25. Similarly, let us find RHS. So x, how much is there? 2 square plus y means 3 square plus 2 into x value is 2 into y value is 3. So now 2 square value is 4 plus 3 square. 3 3 is 9 plus 2 2 is 4. 4 3 is 12. So now here 4 plus 9 13. 13 plus 12 25. See here LHS is also 25 and RHS is also 25. So this expression is called as the what? An identity. So identity means for any value of variable, LHS and RHS values both should be same. Such an expression is called as what? Identity. And here now in this chapter, so you are going to study that 4 standard identity. In that first one is this one only, x plus y whole square equals to x square plus y square plus 2xy. And second one is, let us see, first one a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Standard identities these are. Second one is a minus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So difference is here plus and here it is minus. If minus is there means here we will get minus. Not both negative. Only minus 2ab. Here a square plus b square same as it is first one. And next third one is a plus b into a minus b. So binomial by a multiplication of binomial by a binomial. But if both numbers are same with different signs, means a plus b, a minus b, then you can directly write it down as a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square, or a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Next, fourth one, x plus a into x plus b. If x value both are same, x value means x in the both the expression x is same and a and b are different, then we can write this as x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. ab means a into b. So this is standard expression, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So these are the 4 standard identities we are going to study and we are going to use to solve the examples or the problems. Let us see now some examples on this. Using identity, find. First one, plus 3 bracket square. Now it is of the form, which identity is there? First identity a plus b whole square, where a means x and b means 3. In the place of a, x is there. In the place of b, 3 is there. A means x, b means what? 3. So now first identity, what is that now? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So use that identity now. So x plus 3 whole square, which is equals to a square. A means x, so x square plus b square means 3 square plus 2ab. A into b. A means what is there? X into b means what is there? 3. So which is equals to x square plus 3 square is 9. 3 into 3. 3 square means plus 2 into 3, 6. 6 into x, 6x. Therefore, the answer is x square plus 9 plus 6x. This is by using identity first one. Let us take second one. Two x minus 5 bracket square. So here it is now. This one is of the form which identity now? A minus b whole square. In the place of a, what is there? 2x. A means 2x. In the place of b, what is there? 5. A means 2x, b means 5. And what is that identity? A square plus b square minus 2a. So now a square. A means 2x. So 2x bracket square. Don't write like this only. 2x square. It is wrong. You need to square both 2 and x. So put the bracket. Don't write directly. Plus b square. B means 5. So 5 square plus 2a. Sorry, minus 2a. 2a means 2x into b means 5. So which is equals to 2 square, how much you will get? 4 and x square is there, so x square. You need to square both, x also, 2 also. 2 square is 4, so you will get 4x square. Plus 5 square, 5 pies are 25. Minus 2 into 2, 4. 4 pies are 20. 20 into x, 20x. So this is by using identity second. A minus b whole square. Next, third one. Okay, 3x plus 2, 3x minus 2. So now this is of the which identity now? Third one. What is there? A plus b into a minus b. So a plus b. A means 3x, b means 2, a minus b. 3x minus 2. Here a means 3x and b means 2. A plus b, a minus b. So that identity what is there? A square minus b square. So here a square. A means what is there? 3x. So 3x bracket square minus b square. B means what is there? 2. So 2 square. So now which is equal to square both 3 and x. 3 square you will get 9x square minus 2 square. 2 2s are 4. So 9x square minus 4 is the solution of this third question. That is by using the third identity. A plus b into a minus b equals to a square minus b square. A means 3x, b means 2. Next, fourth one. X plus 2 into x plus 3. So now this is of the which identity now? Fourth one. X plus a into x plus 3. X means x only. A means 2, B means 3. And what is that identity? X square, write x square. Plus, bracket A plus B. A means how much is there? 2. Plus B means how much is there? 3. Into x. Plus AB. A means 2. AB means A into B. So into B means 3. So which is equals to x square plus 2 plus 3, 5. 5 into x, 5x. Plus 2 3s are 6. So x square plus 5x plus 6 is the answer for the fourth question, and it is by using the identity fourth one, x plus a into x plus b. Okay, we'll see the next question. Okay, let us see the exercise 9.5. In that first main question, use suitable identity to find the product of the following. First one, x plus 3 into x plus 3. So which identity is this one? This is not x plus a into x plus b. Here both expressions are same only, x plus 3 into x plus 3. As like 2 into 2. What you will get, or what you will write? 2 square, or as like a into a. What you will write? A square. If two things are same, you can write square. So here two expressions are same. So what we can write this one now? X plus 3 bracket square. So now it is of the form which identity? First one, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b bracket square. Now use that. A square means x square plus b square means 3 square plus 2ab. A means x, b means 3. So now x square plus, so 3 square is 9 plus 2 3s are 6. 6 into x, 6x. Next, second one. 2y plus 5 into 2y plus 5. So it is also now same, both expressions are same. What you can write now? A into a square you can write. So that means 2y plus 5 into 2y plus 5, we can write 2y plus 5 bracket square. So here a means 2y, b means 5. So a square, this is the identity first one, a plus b bracket square. A square, that means 2y square plus b square means 5 square plus 2ab. 2 into a means 2y plus b means 5. Sorry, into b means 5, not plus into 2ab, 2a into b. So square both 2 and y. 2 square 4. So 4y square plus 5 square 25 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So 20 into y, 21. Next, let us take third question as our homework. In that third question, so it is all by using the what? Second identity, a minus b whole square. Now see, fourth question, fourth one, 3a minus 1 by 2 into 3a minus 1 by 2. So here it is now a into a square, that means 3a minus 1 by 2 into 3a minus 1 by 2, what you can write? 3a minus 1 by 2 whole square. So it is of the identity second one, a minus b whole square. So here a means 3a, b means 1 by 2. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is identity. So a square means 3a square plus b square means 1 by 2 square minus 2a. 2 into a means 3a into b means 1 by 2. So 3a square. Square both 3 and a. So 3 square 9. So you will get 9a square plus square both numerator and denominator. 1 square how much you will get? 1. Divided by 2 square how much you will get? 4. Minus here 2 ones get cancelled. So what remains now? 3. So the answer is 9a square plus 1 by 4 minus 3. The next question. Fifth one. 1.1 m plus or minus 0.4 into 1.1 m plus 0.4. Now see, this one is of which identity? So that is of the identity third one, a plus b into a minus b. That means what we can write that? A square minus b square. A means 1.1 into m. B means only 0.4. So a square minus b square. So a square means 1.1 m bracket square minus b square means 0.4 bracket square. So now square both 1.1 and m. 1.1 square you will get 1.21 and m square. So square is there, it will become m square minus 0.4 square means 0.4 into 0.4. How much you will get? 0.16. So this is the solution of fifth question by using the identity third one. Next, sixth one. A square plus b square into minus a square plus b square. So now that is of which identity? So this is of the identity third one. How means just you need to rearrange it. Let us see how. I will write b square, a square plus b square as b square plus a square. Because addition is commutative. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5 or 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Addition is commutative. You can write 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. So I wrote that 2 plus 3 as 3 plus 2. So no or anything will changes in that. So next I will write minus a square plus b square as b square minus a square. So addition is commutative. So I wrote that just b square minus a square. So now it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Third identity, a plus b into a minus b. Here a means b square. A means, or you can write here a is equals to b square and b means what? A square. If you get confused means just write that. A means what is there here? In the place of a, b square. In the place of b, a square. So now a plus b into a minus b. What is the identity? A square minus b square. So now a square. A means what is there? B square whole square. A square is there. First write a. What is there? B square. Square. Bracket square. Plus, sorry, minus. A square minus b square. B what is there? A square whole square. Because b is a square, we need b square. So, whole square. So, which is equals to b square whole square. Law of exponents. A raised to m whole raised to n, which is equals to what you will get? A raised to m into n. So now So b square whole square. 2 2s are 4. So you will get b raised to 4 minus 2 2s are 4. So a raised to 4. So the answer of sixth question is b raised to 4 minus a raised to 4. Similarly, the seventh question by using the third identity. The seventh question is 6x minus 7 into 6x plus 7. So directly it is of the board third identity a plus b into a minus b. What is that identity now? A square minus b square. A means 6x, b means 7. So a square minus b square means 6x bracket square minus b square means 7 square. So which is equal to square both 6 and x. 6 square you will get 36 x square minus 7 square 49. So the answer is 36 x square minus 49. Okay, next. So eighth question. So eighth question also just you need to rearrange that minus a plus c into minus a plus c. So just rearrange that minus a plus c as c minus a into c minus a. First write c, then write minus a. So now c minus a into c minus a. C minus a bracket square. Two expressions are same. So a into a square. As like c minus a into c minus a, c minus a bracket square. So now it is object for second identity a minus b whole square. So that identity what is there now? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So here a means c, b means a. So a square means c square plus b square means a square, because in the place of a c is there, in the place of b a is there. Minus 2ab, 2 into a what is there? C into b what is there? A. So c square plus a square minus 2 into c into a, so 2c. Next, ninth question. X by 2 plus 3y by 4 into x by 2 plus 3y by 4. So x by 2 plus 3y by 4 into x by 2 plus 3y by 4. So these expressions are same. So what we can write down now? X by 2 plus 3y by 4 bracket square. So which is equal to? So this is of the board first identity a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So here a means x by 2. B means 3y by 4. A square that means x by 2 square. Plus b square means 3y by 4 square. Plus 2ab. 2 into a means x by 2 into b means 3y by 4. So which is equal to? Square both numerator and denominator. You will get x square divided by 2 square. How much you will get? 4. Plus here also square both numerator and denominator. 3 square how much you will get? 9. So here y is there, that will become y square divided by 4 square 16. You need to square all terms or all numbers and variables in the bracket, under the bracket. So you need to square both numerator and denominator. 3 square is 9, y is there, that will become y square, 4 square is 16. Plus 2 ones are 2 ones again cancel. So here 3 x into y, xy divided by how much remain now? 4. So the answer is I'm gonna